Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be discussing how can we remove duplicates from Excel workbook. So this is a Excel sheet, and in this there are multiple duplicates. As you can see, Instagram is thrice over here and thrice here, and Facebook, Google. So what we will going to be doing is selecting all by pressing Command A, select all, then going to data tab and press remove duplicates, and we can select if there are multiple columns, so we can select those columns from which we want to remove all the duplicates. Else press OK. As you can see, there is only a single column D. Press OK. So here what it is showing is an alert, that is 11 duplicate values were found and removed. 7 unique values remain. Note that counts may include empty cells, spaces, etc. Then what I have to do is press OK, and as you can see, all the duplicates from the Excel sheets are removed. And so that is all about how can we remove all the duplicates from Excel sheets. I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and press the bell notifications for further updates.